Good morning from Nanaimo. It's a little cooler morning, right around in the 50s somewhere. The little birdies are chirping. It's about 5:55 in the morning. We are getting ready to cross over the Strait of Georgia, going over to Secret Cove. So we are hoping that our trip is uneventful. We want to leave early. We weren't supposed to pick up this afternoon, and we don't want to really mess around with the Strait of Georgia. There's a lot of winds. Last time we did the Strait of Georgia, it didn't go super well for us. We were on our sailboat, we hit something, and our trip got put on hold for about 6 weeks while they fixed our keel. But yeah, we're looking forward to maybe a nice little cruise this morning. Beautiful wife, kind of having some coffee, and we will report back in a bit. Awesome.
So we left Vancouver Island and Nanaimo this morning, heading over to the Sunshine Coast. Looks a little cloudy, but hey, you know, all's good, you know. So take what you get, enjoy it. And we have the gear for it, and we have a boat that keeps us nice and safe and dry, right, Mo?
So we are almost across the strait. Very lumpy. The boat's doing excellent though, so it's been good. So really, I'm hoping once we get into the lee of some of these islands over here that we might, the sea state might settle down a little bit. So, but yeah, it's been fun. It's good. Oh no! Wow, look at that. That's amazing.
Oh my gosh.
That is absolutely amazing. And Freyja and associated crew have made it to Secret Cove, BC. Beautiful day out there today. Great trip. Awesome.
And these are just some of the fun things you do on a rainy day. You know, you watch the raindrops drop, get a few drippy spots inside. Not my canvas fault though. But yeah, you know, and when you're really bored, you say, it's a great time to change out the bilge pump. Awesome.
So the good news is, this pump is a cartridge pump, so you can actually pull the actual motor out and just in place set the impeller. And this is the float switch, which I cannot get to work. So, so these are out for time being. My next trick is we'll wire the new ones in a second. But we do have to get the pump out, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but still there's some water in the bilge. So back to our G-Wiz sponge, and we'll get that water out of the bilge first, so we can not be dealing with it while we're trying to put the new pump in place. So I'm having a good time sponging out the bilge, and you find all kinds of stuff in the bilge, including Lego pieces. Go figure, huh?
Holy cow.
That's awesome. Okay, back to work. New pump housing is installed. Man, I didn't remember it being this difficult when I took it out over there on Stewart Island, but man, it was tough to get it out, tough to get it in. But they're in that right now, so just gotta put the cartridge in, wire it up, put the float switch in, and hopefully we're done. So, but first, lunch. Awesome. Well, we're back in the saddle again, as the saying goes. Good news is I was able to get the pump body installed. The other good news is the float switch had this kind of giant pad on it. I'm like, oh crap, this isn't going to work. Until I figured out it is going to work, because this comes off and it still clips in like the other one. So thank goodness on that one. So now it's just a question of getting everything wired up over here and put back to where it was before. Hooking the hose up and then dumping a bunch of water in the bilge and make sure it works. Awesome. We've got the wiring done. We had a little bit of an oopsie. Basically, I had a couple of wires crossed. But yeah, everything's done. So now it's all a question of hooking it back up together. and we did a quick test, make sure the pump's running. It is. And then hook the plumbing back up and toss some water in the bilge to see what happens.
Okay, so that's good news. He's got it tightened on, he said, and just got to find the right angle to tighten it. Got it screwed on, so it's
not a lot of room to put your fingers in here, that's for sure.
Yeah.
So really my last task is to get the backflow hooked up and then to zip tie all the stuff together. And then we'll go from there and see what happens. So,
Yep.
So I know it's hard to see, but there is the final install of the pump. As you can tell, the actual job is easy. What's hard is that it's way down there. There's a shaft in the way. It's bolted down to a plate down there. There's hardly any room to get a screwdriver. So the reality of the matter was, even though it was a fairly easy thing to fix, it was quite a pain in the butt. So anyway, we're going to do the quick test. I'm going to pour some water in the bilge, and Kathy's going to check out on the outside to see if it's coming out. Awesome. Okay, so here we go. Voila.
It works.
It works.
Well done, Captain.
Awesome. This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.